Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to learn that how to add shadow and glow effect to our text on Gimp. So let's go to Gimp and let's open up our text tool. Then select the size and the color of the text. We have 200 pixel and the white. Then click on anywhere on the image and just write a text that you want to. Or we shall write life is foxy. Well, that may have any meaning, but let's, for tutorial's sake, let's go on with this text. And now we select our text and then we move it a little bit right because we don't want to disturb our fox. So now that the text is there, let's go to filters and lights and shadows and then long shadow. Click on that. Now you can see it's all white because the color of the shadow is white. So let's change the color. We use the eyedropper tool on that menu and we click on anywhere on the image to pick a color. So let's pick a bit darker. Let's pick a bit dark brown maybe. Yeah, that looks good. So yeah, but now the length of the shadow is too long. Now we want to adjust that. So let's reduce the length of the shadow. Let's just slide it down and let's see what matches the image and the text. Something like 18 to 19 would match this one maybe. That looks quite good. Let's adjust and now click OK. So now we have it, shadow. Now let's add the glow effect. So now go to the drop shadow option and here you see that shadow color is the black, so we want to change that. So now we want to pick for a glowing effect maybe something like reddish or maybe pink or a bit pink grayish. Let's just try it out and select any color that you want to pick. And yeah, I think that looks quite okay. And yeah, let's select that one. And now you can see that in the drop shadow menu there are X, Y options. It means that where actually the shadow starts. So you can adjust that one and also the radius of your shadow. So let's try to change these three parameters that we have, X, Y and the radius. And let's see that what matches to our image and to our text. And that looks quite good. Let's try other options. Just if we radius to 0 gives it no glow effect. Yeah, that looks okay. So yeah, now we have it. We have our text, shadow and glow effect. If you liked the tutorial, please subscribe us for more content and do not forget that you are awesome.